Hey, what's up, everybody? It's James from Tindall, and I'm back again with a tech tip I think you may find helpful. Today, just so happens to be National Flash Drive Day. I know, there's a holiday for everything these days. Last week was National Backup Day. With those 2 days being important, I thought I would talk about a question I get asked often, but usually when it's too late. How could I avoid losing all my stuff after a hardware malfunction? Well, oftentimes things are still recoverable when a hard drive has been damaged, but there are instances when it is in fact lost forever. In this video, I will discuss how a little flash drive could be an insurance policy. Computers malfunction daily, and if you're ever in a situation where your computer crashes and you have not backed up your computer, that could be detrimental. For some reasons, computers decide to crap out when something important is due, or something that you have worked on for a very long time. That is why I recommend creating what's called a recovery drive. If your PC ever experiences a major issue or hardware failure, you will be able to use the recovery drive to reinstall your operating system just by using this guide. Alright, let's go ahead and jump on my machine here. This process is relatively easy to complete and does not take a whole bunch of time. To accomplish this, either in Windows 10 or Windows 11, in the search box on the taskbar, search for Create a Recovery Drive and then select it. You might be asked to enter in an admin password or to confirm your choice. When the tool opens, make sure Backup System Files to the recovery drive is selected, and then select Next. Then connect the USB drive to your PC, select it, and then hit Next. Select Create, and voila, you are done. Many files will need to be copied to the recovery drive, so this could take a little bit of time depending upon how big your system is. It is recommended that you perform this operation at least once a year so that it includes all of your things and major operating system updates. You never want to be in a situation where someone tells you that all of your things are unrecoverable. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it helps you out in the future. Tindall Tech, over and out.